Welcome to TechElipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete blank column on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open any document. Now you can see in my document between these two columns I have a blank column. So if you want to delete this blank column, at first just select your column and then put the cursor here, then right click on mouse, and here you can see delete option. Just click on delete and it's done. You can see the blank column has been deleted successfully, but you cannot use any delete key from your keyboard to delete this blank column. So if I try this, just select the column and then press delete key from your keyboard, and you can see it's not working. That means you can use only one method to delete any blank column. If I do it once again, just right click and then click delete and it's done. And that is how you can delete blank column on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.